Hey, Wake Up Real Estate. Want to show you guys this funnel, co-marketing funnel that Josh and I are setting up. These are ads that will be running in the local market where I am. So it's a buyer side ad. Bringing it up on the screen here. See a complete current list of recently price reduced real estate listings in Pinellas County. Single family homes, condos, income properties, etc. Priced from price range, and then just an image I made in Canva with like a house. It's actually my brother's house with a price reduced over it, like so. And then there's a lead form that gets filled out on Facebook, right? So you guys are probably familiar with this. It collects the first name, last name, email, and phone number straight off the bat. And then at the end of the lead form, show you the message says, great, click to see the list now. See the price reduced properties and other deal lists now. We'll also show you some options for creatively financing your next Pinellas County property. So when they click at this stage, this is the whole funnel I'm walking you through here. Let's go ahead and go to this website. This is the co-marketing page that Josh and I showed on Valentine's Day on the live webinar. And I built this using, it's a mortgage side system with Josh's Nexa mortgage team. And it's just a simple white page, and I have two columns. One of them has a video of me saying, hey, your list is down below. What's interesting about this is that you'll see that the recently price reduced is the first one, but I have other lists. Each one of these goes to my KV Core site with those properties. And what this does is it opens the door for me to use the same exact flow for any of these other offers. And if I come up with another offer in the future, like say I do new construction, it's not on here, I can just add new construction as a bullet point, and then I'm covered. I can always use the same thank you page. And then Josh, and I'll also mention my Calendly link is down here. So in the video, I say, hey, your links are down below. Schedule me if you want to talk about your property search, and then you should check out Josh's stuff if you need financing. And then Josh is over on the right side of the page. On mobile, he'll actually be down below. So I say over to the right or down below. In the video, you can kind of see me scrolling here. Josh talks and he says, he talks about the things he can do. And then you've got the link to schedule a one-on-one meeting with Josh's Calendly. And then he has a direct mortgage application that they can click on right here. So this is where the user, I'm calling it users. This is where the lead, I have Thanks.io as a software company, so we refer to these as users, but for real estate, it's a lead, right? The lead interacts on Facebook and they go to this page. Another thing I'll note that we're going to try, this could easily be a Google ad, it could be a TikTok video. The traffic source doesn't really matter. The thank you page can always be the same. Now, what's going on with the Zap here? Let me show you the Zap we have built in Zapier. Whoop! So the Zap taps into Facebook lead ads. It then it adds the contact info to the mortgage partner, Josh's system. So this lead connector thing is his system. And what happens there, this is what's really cool about the way we're doing this, is that junior loan officers, people on his team are actually going to follow up with the leads. And as the leads go in, they're just going to do a courtesy call. So basically, if you do this right and you're co-marketing with a lender, the idea is that you kind of pick up an ISA team that you don't have to pay for, right? If they're good and they're trained. And actually what's going on is we send over a note. It just says, hey, they opted in for a list of price reduced homes. I am actually going to eventually push a screenshot of the ad through so that that team has the right context. They can talk about what the person actually did when they opted in. So the data is going there from Facebook. And then of course, it's also going into my CRM over at KV Core. So if we go to KV Core, it's going to go in, and then I'm just going to hashtag it, an important detail actually. You can see right here. It has two hashtags, price reduced and Josh co-marketing on there. And the way that I'm going to use the hashtags in KV Core is that I'm going to trigger the appropriate smart campaign to follow up, right? So we'll send an auto text, we'll send emails so that those emails have the right context. So I don't have that part done yet. I'm going to just leave this video where it's at, but we'll probably do a follow-up video where I show the automations at KV Core and the sort of follow-up that we're going to do with these leads. But there you have it, the co-marketing funnel here around price-reduced homes in Pinellas County in concert with Wake Up Real Estate co-founder Josh Shanley.